Stop. If you're thinking about buying GeminAI 3.1 Max, there's something you need to know first, because this tool claims you can access 100 plus premium AI tools, including Google's $250 month AI Ultra. Sounds insane, right? But here's the real question. Is this a hidden gold mine, or just another overhyped AI scam? Let's find out. In this video, I'll give you a complete, honest review of GeminAI 3.1 Max, what it actually does, what you get inside, real pros and cons, and whether it's worth your money or not. Plus, I'm giving away exclusive bonuses worth over 500 plus that can literally help you turn this into a profit machine. If you decide to get GeminAI 3.1 Max, make sure you use the link in the description. And trust me, these bonuses alone are worth more than the product itself. What is GeminAI 3.1 Max? This is an all-in-one AI platform powered by Google's Gemini 3.1 Ultra engine that gives you access to 100 plus premium AI tools, content creation, video generation, app building and marketing automation, all inside one dashboard. Instead of paying for tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, etc., everything is combined into one system. Benefits. Why people are interested. Here's why this is blowing up right now. Replace $300 $400 month AI subscriptions. One-time payment, no recurring fees. Create content, videos, apps, funnels in minutes, beginner-friendly, no skills needed, and commercial license included. You can sell services. And the biggest benefit? You're not just using AI. You're using it to make money. Inside GeminAI 3.1 Max, you get Gemini 3.1 Ultra, 24/7 AI assistant, Nano Banana Pro, image creation editing, VO 3.1, AI video generation, Deep Think, build apps, SaaS, code, Notebook LM, write books, content, Lyria, AI music generator, and Flow plus Whisk, video effects and intros. Plus, website builder, funnel creator, SEO content generator, 30 TB cloud storage, and YouTube Premium, no ads. Basically, it replaces your entire digital business toolkit. Honest pros and cons. Now let's be real. Pros: all-in-one AI ecosystem, huge cost savings, beginner-friendly, commercial license included and no monthly fees. Cons: feels overwhelming for beginners at first, requires learning prompts for best results, and sounds too good to be true, so test carefully. What results you can expect? You can create YouTube automation channels, build affiliate funnels, sell AI services, and generate content at scale. Some users claim they're launching faster, creating more content, and scaling income streams. But remember, this is not magic. You still need action plus consistency. Now this is where things get crazy. Fast action. Bonus 1. 100 plus premium paid AIs. Bundle. You're getting access to tools like Google AI Ultra, $250 a month, Midjourney, $200 a month, DALL-E, $40 a month, Claude 4, $100 a month, ChatGPT Pro, $200 a month, Grok, Copilot, Perplexity, and more. Total value, £300 plus month, $4,000 year. And you get it all inside GeminAI 3.1 Max. Fast action bonus 2, YouTube Premium, no ads. Yes, you also get ad-free YouTube experience and lifetime access. Total bonus value, 500 plus. Yours free, limited time. So, is GeminAI 3.1 Max worth it? If you want all-in-one AI system, save money on subscriptions and build online income using AI, then yes, it's worth trying. So if you're interested, click the link in the description, grab GeminAI 3.1 Max and lock in all bonuses before they expire. Because once it goes monthly, you'll regret not getting it today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.